Well, last night storms have turned into a gray day and a wet day here in West Michigan, but we've got some drier weather on the way. It just might not be in the next several. 13 weather ball, though, is red tomorrow. With a little help of some sunshine, it's going to be a warmer ahead. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. High temperatures today actually occurred after midnight, so upper 60s and low 70s as the cold front was going through. But this afternoon's high has only been 65, and that is what we forecast here today. And that is a bullseye in the afternoon. Again, we've had a few light rain showers throughout the day. It comes down heavy at times, and then it just kind of comes to a little bit of a drizzle. Right now it's just damp on the weather deck with a very light rain shower going on. All the way around, a very active system has now moved to the north and east, and we're watching the next one come in. This is a powerful storm. It's going to have a lot of snow for northeastern Wyoming and Montana. Out ahead of the warm part of that storm, tornado watch in effect for Kansas. That's the same system that will give us a chance of another round of storms tomorrow night. But you can see some scattered sprinkles here this evening. No impacts, just keeping things kind of wet and leave those windshield wipers on occasionally. And this will happen overnight through the early morning hours, and then we'll get a couple of breaks in the clouds as we go through the day tomorrow. This is right around noon tomorrow. And again, most of the activity will hold off until tomorrow night. Once again, probably after about 7, 8, 9 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, with the strongest storms coming through between about 8 and 11. And we're even in a lower risk than we were last night, so I don't anticipate we'll see much, if any, severe weather at all. And then as we head through Thursday, that shower and activity will move on out and will be partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures, though, are going to be a little bit on the cooler side. And then there'll be another round of rain that will come up late Friday night through Saturday morning. Most of that will be to the south and east, so we got 2 rounds of showers to get through before starting Saturday night. We'll start to clear things out, and we've got an extended period with some dry weather finally coming on in. But in the meantime, we're going to see more in terms of rain. So most of the rain will come late Wednesday night through Thursday morning, second round late Friday through Saturday morning, and then maybe by next Thursday a chance of rain, but right now I'm thinking it's going to be dry most of next week. When are we going to get rid of the humidity? Well, not tonight, but we'll drop those dew points gradually into the 50s here next few days, and then we'll drop it sufficiently over the weekend that will allow things to dry out. So mostly cloudy skies expected here during the day tomorrow. Highs will recover to around 70 up north, and it'll be low and mid 70s from Grand Rapids south. Keep in mind, we have highs only in the low and mid 60s. Upper 60s to low 70s up north with a much lighter south-southwest wind. And finally, here in the greater Grand Rapids zone, we will see temperatures between about 72 and as warm as 75 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Couple more days in the 70s, and we may not see those for quite some time. We'll drop from 68 on Friday to only 58 on Saturday. We'll recover to 60 on Sunday, and more better behaved autumn weather starting on Monday of next week. Low and mid to 60s, although it might get a little bit chilly overnight, as overnight lows will be in the 40s.